Hello my friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. Guys, this is a ISRO practice session and I will be covering not one subject but 6 to 7 subjects of civil engineering here. Engineering mechanics, strength of materials, soil mechanics, transportation engineering, hydrology, all of them I'll be covering, and from them I'll be taking 20 questions. Those 20 questions will not be of gate level. Okay, gate will be asking very conceptual questions. That is why it is giving you 3 minutes for every question. ISRO is only giving you approximately 60 to 70 seconds for one question. That is why the questions are relatively easier. You have seen in PYQ. If you want a tough, challenging question, then tomorrow also at 8:30 p.m. I'm coming with the challenging questions of gate. But today it is 20 questions, 20 minutes, and cutoff is 14. Okay, if you're clearing this cutoff, that means out of the 20 questions, that I'll be taking 20 minutes. Okay, this session will be very brief, 20 questions, 20 minutes, exactly as per the ISRO difficulty level and approximately same time as well. If you are able to clear 14 questions or solve 14 questions out of 20, that means you are up to the mark for ISRO. Unique learner. Yes, Deshraj sir, how are you? Karpuraj, what questions are there? I'm telling you guys. Okay, this is about me. My name is Abhinav Negi, having 11 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. This is my mail ID and this is my Telegram group. More than 5,000 students have already joined. You can also join here, me guys here. Okay, this is my Telegram group. Okay, more than 5,000 students are here, guys. You can also join. Civil by Abhinav sir. Now, guys, ready? Give me a thumbs up, everyone. Yes, ISRO exam, not question. ISRO exam PYQ I have taken many number of times. These are the 20 questions that are of ISRO level. Okay, and ISRO level, it is easy. Okay, gate level say much easier they are. Tell me, how is the Josh, guys? Shall we start? Because when just with your stopwatch, guys, we can go in such a way that after 20 questions we will be done. So guys, ready? Ready? Yes or no? Ready for 20 questions? Put a heart sign here, at least heart sign, then I am starting the session. Cutoff is 14 out of 20 questions. 14 out of 20 questions. Subjects that I'll be taking today: SOM, engineering mechanics, soil, highway, every subject 2 to 3 questions will be there, and hydrology. Okay, these I am taking. And guys, if you want really challenging questions, then tomorrow gate 10 questions. Okay, at 8:30 p.m. same time on YouTube, and they will be the tough questions. They will be tough one up to the gate level. Why they are easy? Why today's questions are easy? Because, friends, ISRO is asking the easy questions. Shall we start? Please put a heart sign here. Please put a heart sign, then we are ready, and I am giving you assurance. Then when I start this, in 20 minutes it's over. In 20 minutes the session is over. Everyone, come on. Please put a heart sign, guys. Come on. You are not giving me a green signal. We are starting, guys. Okay, just for all the students who are here right now, let me tell you guys, whatever the time is, 8:37. We'll start at 8:38. 8:38, 8:48, 8:58. 8:58 we will be over with the 20 questions. 8:58 we will be over with the 20 questions. Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? 8:58 we will be done with 20 questions. Okay, maximum 9. Keep sharing. Okay? Yes. Let's go in an alto. एक ad आती थी ना पहले ऐसे. Chalo, this is question number 1. Questions will be easy today. Tomorrow questions will be difficult. For perfectly elastic body, what is the coefficient of restitution? Give me answers in the comment box. I want to check that who have done it faster. Yes, the class is going to be in English because I don't know Hindi. Okay, just kidding. Okay. What is the coefficient of restoration? It is velocity of separation, okay, upon velocity of approach. Upon velocity of approach. Okay, now two bodies are colliding with each other. Two bodies are colliding. Suppose this velocity is 30 and this velocity is, if this velocity will be 20, then they will not be colliding. Okay, this velocity has to be more. Okay, this is the velocity of approach. This is approaching at the velocity of 10. And suppose after collision, this goes with 10 and this goes with 12. Okay, so velocity of separation is 2. And velocity of coming, how much they are relatively coming to each other is velocity approach is 10. For elastic, this E value is 1. For perfectly elastic, the value is 1. Guys, this will be tomorrow. Tomorrow 8:30 p.m. Same time, guys. Same time. Yes, yes, yes. Venkat does, nobody knows. I am just telling you every time that whenever the notification comes, okay, it will be after 20 days after that. So tomorrow notification comes, it will be after 20 days. That is around 16th of October. Okay, now question number 2. Now very nice question. Very nice question, guys. A girl is swinging on a swing. Twing, 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 twing. Then again back. Okay, a girl is like this. तुम तो गर्ल को ही समझते होंगे जो 20-21 साल से बड़ी हो. ये बच्चा को भी गर्ल ही कहते हैं, गर्ल है तो. A girl is swinging on a swing in sitting position. When she stands up on the swing, when she will be standing up, then the period of swing will be. Then the period of swing will be. Okay, tell me. Tell me. If she stands up. Okay, sometimes I also in my childhood, sometimes in sitting position we do like this, and sometimes in standing position. Okay, then in standing position, guys, it will decrease. Okay, in standing position it will decrease because T is proportional to root L. L is the length, and on standing position, length decreases. On standing position, effective length decreases. Okay, what is the effective length? Now, how effective length decreases? Because everywhere you will be finding in net L decreases, but how it decreases? Guys, effective length is from where it is suspended from CG. So now the CG is here of this baby. This is L. When she will be standing up CG will be rising up. So L will be reduced. L is the distance from the suspension to the CG. When it is sitting position, CG will be here. When it is in standing position, CG will be here, upward. So it will be reduced. Give me yes or no. Have you understood this? Okay. What about the speed? Okay. Now question number 3. A bomb is exploded. Okay. Explode into 2 pieces of mass. This is a bomb. Okay. And after explosion, this is before explosion. This is in 20 minutes, guys, we will be doing this. Now, after explosion, what is happening? After explosion, what is happening? That the velocity of the first part is 210. Velocity of first part is 210. And velocity of second part is asked. The first part is of mass 3 kg and this is 7 kg. Now, initial momentum should be equal to final momentum. So, initial momentum, bomb is like this only. Bomb is like this only. Bomb is like this only. So, initially it will be 0. V is equal to 0 initially. Bomb is at rest position. So, initial momentum is 0. And final momentum is 3 into 210 plus 7 kg velocity is asked. So magnitude wise, if I'm telling you, the magnitude wise it will be 200 into 3 by 7. So it will be 90 units. It will be 90 units. It will be 90 units. Guys, how many you have done it correct till now? Out of 3 questions, how many you have done it correct? Tell me. Everyone, guys, come on. Till now, how many you have done it correct? Okay. Now question number 4. Fast, guys. 14 is the cutoff. 14 is the cutoff, guys. 14 is the cutoff. Everyone has to maintain the cutoff. Everyone has to maintain the cutoff. Come on, hit it. Come on, hit it. What it is asking? A cantilever beam of span 4 meter. This is a cantilever beam. Span is 4 meter. Okay. It is 0.3 meter wide, and if we see the cross section, this is 0.3 meter wide and 0.4 meter deep. Is subjected to a concentrated load at the free end. So here the concentrated load is acting. Self weight has to be ignored, and the concentrated load is 10 kilonewton. Okay, what is the maximum bending stress at 2 meter from the free end? From here, if I go 2 meter here, at this location, what is the maximum bending stress? So sigma is equal to m by I into y. What is m? Okay, just seeing the magnitude only, guys. 10 into 2, 20. Okay, just see magnitude, because there is not, see it is 20 na, and it is 200 na, and it is 2000. Then I have to check the scale. I am telling you a trick. I am telling you a trick, guys. If this is 20, this is 200, this is 2000, then I have to see it in units also. Units, but every value is same. 22545. 22545. So no need to convert in units. Everything will be okay. BDQ by 12, 0.3 into 0.4 cube into 12. Okay. And m by I into y max. What is the maximum distance from the neutral axis? That is 0.2. 0.2. So leave 10. I am leaving the values of 10, 100, 1000, because here the when units are not 20 and 200 and 2000. If it is 4000, it is 4, then I have to check the units. But here every value is 2, 25, 4, 5. So 20 into 12 is 48, 48 into 2 is 96. I am not using 10 ki power anything. So 0.3 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 16 into 4, one more 4. So 16 is 96. 0.32, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, it may be 5000 then. 1 by 2 is 0.5 na? Sorry, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5, yes. So this may be the answer. Okay, otherwise in units you can do. Have you understood what I want to say? Have you understood what I want to say? Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no in the comment section. Please check my units also. Might be I have done mistake here. 10 into 2 is 20. M by I, 0.3 into 4 cube by 12, okay. Into y max is 0.2. So 12 to the 24 to the 48. Oh. 12 to the 24, 48, yaar. 48 should be there. We have taken more, 2 times more, yeah, it should be divided. Okay, so it will be this. Please check. Please check. Please check. Okay, understood na? Swapnil, Unique, Krupa, I understood my trick. Understood my trick, how I am not using units. Why I am not using kilonewton meter into newton into 1000 divided by 1000 into 10 to the power 3. Have you understood what I want to say? So when you are wasting time in the examination in 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 6, if all the values are same, 2, 25, 4, 5, then you need not to convert in units. Got it? This trick I guess you will be learning first time. Krupa, 0.2 and 2 is same for me, na? When I am solving this question, 0.2, 2, 200, 2000, 2 lakh, everything is same for me. Have you understood what I want to say? This will be tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. 10 questions of gate. Okay. Question number 5. For a given stress, the ratio of moment or resistance of a beam of a square section when placed one diagonal horizontal. Okay. Like this. This is placed like this. Oh, this is placed like this. One diagonal is horizontal, you can see. And when it is placed like this. So, what is the moment of resistance of this orange? What is the moment of resistance of this orange with respect to moment of resistance of this? So, one thing is very sure, moment of resistance is sigma max, sigma into Z. So, this is also sigma max into Z. So, this will be cancelled out because same material, when you are changing upside down, material is not changing, na? Iron will be iron if you do it like this. Okay, iron will be iron if you do like this. If this is glass, In every direction it is glass only. Okay, so only Z will be the factor. By only seeing the question I can say that this is a very bad beam in bending. This is good. This cross section is very poor because bending stresses are more at top and bottom. The bending stresses are more at top and bottom. The bending stresses are more at top and bottom. Correct? So bending stresses are more at top and bottom, and here area is less. So it is bad. This is even not best of the things like I section, because I section where the stresses are more, there the area is more flange. Not best of that, but okay, better than this. So the ratio will be less than 1. The ratio, so this can't be answer, this can't be answer. Okay, and if you do it, finding the Z value, you will be getting this answer as D option. Okay, the ratio is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Okay, by you calculate I about this. Okay, then Y max, you will be getting this. Okay, I'm not wasting time in calculations. Have you got it, everyone? Yes, question number 6. The given figure shows the section of a wooden beam stiffened by 2 steel stirrups of thickness T. This blue one is the steel, guys. This blue one is the steel. This blue one is the steel. This blue one is the steel. Okay. Blue one is the steel. What is the moment of inertia about XX? What is the moment of inertia about the XX axis? Tell me. Tell me. Guys, what is the equivalent section? If I made everything into beam, okay, moment of inertia of the fleece beam, if I make everything into wooden beam, then depth is same, that is D. The B width, B will be equal to B width, but T will be replaced by MT, and there are 2 T's. So B plus 2 MT, now it is whole wood. This is the equivalent section. This is the equivalent section. Now moment of inertia about the XX axis. Okay, the second moment of inertia of the fleece beam about the XX axis is B d cube by 12. So B is this into d cube by 12. C option. Unique learner, it will be C. Have you got it? Unique learner, it will be C. Come on. Got it, everyone? Please put a heart sign on the comment section, guys. Please put a heart sign on the comment section. Come on. Come on. Now 7th. Ye kya hai bhai? In order to produce the maximum shearing stress of this, the material of a hollow circular shaft of 25 outer diameter. This is the section. This is the section. This outer diameter is this, and inner diameter is how much? Inner is 17.5. Inner is 17.5 centimeter. Okay, and outer is 25. Outer diameter is 25. Outer diameter is 25. Now what is asking? The torque that can be applied. Tau by R is equal to T by IP. कितना maximum तक जाना है ना? Maximum this much. So tau max is 75. What is maximum shear stress will be coming at R max. Maximum shear stress will be coming at R max. I'm not going in units. Please find it in units. T by IP. IP is pi by 32. D की power 4. 25 की power 4. Minus 17.5 की power 4. Guys, this is valid for thick and thin both. This is valid for thick and thin both. Okay, only for thin, the value is 2 pi R cube T. That is only for thin. How this formula comes, when you see the derivation, you will get it. Because when we cut a thin cylinder, like this, it will be a rectangle. So this is 2 pi R into T. What is moment of integration? dA into R square. So what is area? This is 2 pi R into T. This area is 2 pi R into T into R square. So 2 pi R T into R square is 2 pi R cube T. But this is only valid for thin. Okay, because for thick, when you cut it, when you cut this thick, then it will be like a trapezium. You cannot write circle area as 2 pi R into T. In thin, it is like rectangle. So this formula is valid for thick and thin both, but this is valid only for thin. IP value. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Everyone, everyone, everyone. Question number 8. Do it fast. Yeah, we are behind. We are lagging the speed, guys. The diameter of the shaft B is twice twice of A. So B is 2D. Okay. And A is D. A is diameter is D. Both the shaft have same length, same material. If both are subjected to same, the ratio of angle of twist. So phi is equal to TL by GIP. So this is same, length is same, G is same material. Only difference is IP. IP is D ki power 4. IP is D ki power 4. Okay, so D ki power A to that of B. So this is D ki power 4. This is 2D ki power 4. So this is 1 by 16. Okay, the ratio of angle of twist of A to the diameter of B is twice. The ratio of the diameter of B is twice. This is more. So iska twist, okay, 1 G IP, this denominator na, so it will be 16. This will be in reverse, -1. Okay, got it? This is actually 1 by D ki power 4 and 1 by this. Have you understood? Yes, guys, everyone. Yeah, what about others? Unique learners? So this is T. What is this reaction? This is same like this, simply supported. If this is P, this is A, this is B. So reaction here is PB upon A plus B, and reaction here is PA upon A plus B. Same thing when we find the reactions of indeterminate torque by phi A of AC plus phi CB is equal to 0. What we got, the torque here is T into 2L by 3. T into 2L by 3 by L. And here the torque will be T into this L by 3. T into L by 3 by L. So this value comes how much? 2T by 3. And this value comes how much? T by 3. So where is the twisting moment of the portion AB? Huh? It should be asking AC or something like this. Suppose it is asking AC. Okay, so in this region from left hand side it is 2T by 3. From left region it is 2T by 3, like this. Understood? Okay, question number 10. What is the seepage velocity? Seepage velocity is the discharge velocity upon porosity. Okay, so 2.4 into 10 ki power minus 1 upon N. N is equal to E upon 1 plus E. So 0.5 upon 1 plus 0.5. So N is equal to 1 by 3. So this is 1 by 3. So that will go above. 7.2 into 10 ki power minus 1. A option. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Okay, speed में this will be tomorrow at 10:30, 8:30 p.m. Gate questions. When the degree of consolidation, the time factor is pi by 4 into u square for less than 60%. So it is pi by 4 into 0.5 square, whatever the answer is coming. What is the value of C? Unconfined compression strength means unconfined. Sigma 3 is nothing. Unconfined, not confining. Sigma 3 is 0. And it is failing at something, this value, UCS. At this much strength it is failing. It is only for clay, because sand you cannot put a sample, you cannot erect a sample without confinement. Sand you have to put the confinement to make it a sample. Okay, so this is C. We are doing only for clays. So this angle will be 0. C will be half of this. C is radius, this is diameter. So half of this will be 50. Guys, these questions are easy because ISRO is asking easy question. Tomorrow 8:30 p.m. the questions will be challenging because GATE asks the tough questions. Now sigma 1 is sigma 3 n phi plus 2c root n phi. What is the value of n phi here? If it is sigma 3 is equal to sigma 1 some constant minus 2c root some constant, in that case the value is 1 minus sin phi upon 1 plus sin phi, when we are writing the minus stress here and major here. But here major is here, so here it is 1 plus upon 1 minus sin phi. Got it? Okay. 14th. For CU test, what is the correct sequence? For CU test, what is the correct sequence? What is the correct sequence? First we are applying, consolidation is the first stage, na? So open the wall, then apply the cell pressure, open the wall, let consolidate. Okay, open the wall, then apply the load. So first 2, 3, and then it is undrained. After the second stage undrained, so close the valve, because second stage is undrained. 2, 3, 1, and last it will be failure. Yes, this is the nice question, I guess. Out of 14, how many you have done it correct till now? Please tell me on the comment section. Out of 14, how many you have done it correct till now? Okay, come on. What is the Q max capacity? Q max, where it is represented by N here. Q max is represented by N here. What is that value? 1000 into V by spacing. 1000 into V by spacing. Okay, and when C is the clear distance and length is also given, so we take length spacing as C plus L. We take it only C when it is given, length is not given, but when length is also given, we take it C plus L or sometimes SSD plus L depending upon the questions. If in question it is asking the friction value, longitudinal friction value, break reaction time, that means it wants to say SSD plus L. If nothing is mentioned, then we'll take the normal staging 0.2 V plus 6 and like this. Okay, परी का पापा, कोई पापा का परी तो मैंने सुना था यार, ये परी का पापा है. 16. For the mixed traffic condition, guys, what is the super elevation? 0.75 V, because it is mixed traffic that we are not designing for the design velocity. For mixed traffic, we'll be designing for 0.75 V. Units are in SI units. 0.75 V square by GR. From here, the value is coming something 8%. But for, we cannot, as per code, we cannot take more than 7%. Na? And if it is not mentioned hill road or whatever road, we'll take it for plain and rolling condition. If it is not mentioned, it is hill, if in highway it is not mentioned, it is urban, because urban super elevation is something different. For mountainous, it is 10%. For mountainous, it is 10%. Mountainous with snow, it is 7%. For plain and rolling, it is 7%. If not mentioned, we will assume it to be plain and rolling condition. So here, we cannot take this much. The whatever the left part is, we will be taking effect from friction part, F part. So F is even not less than 1.5. वहाँ से भी दोस्त से पूरी मदद नहीं होगी, तो हम speed reduce करेंगे. Then we'll be reducing the speed. Okay, here we will not be providing this 8%. Here we will not be providing 8%. We will be providing 7%. So we are not providing the full support, na? So the other support of 1% will be checking by friction. So can friction provide? If friction value is coming less than 0.15, it's fine. Even if that friend is also not helping us, then we'll reduce the speed. Okay, this V square by R or NV square by R is the Don, Gunda. And friends are E and F. So if both of them are helping us to resist it, it's fine. If not, then there are some maximum values of this. So we have to reduce this only. Tell me, come on. Just kidding, it's water. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Water loss is evaporation, correct. Runoff is measured for stream flow. Storm is for precipitation. Soil erosion is not percolation. Soil erosion is due to runoff. Maybe due to runoff, soil erosion can be there. Reduce in this, but not due to percolation. Okay. Rainfall mass curve shows the variation of cumulative rainfall versus time. Here in x-axis we write time, and here we write cumulative rainfall. Cumulative rainfall. Which of the following statements correct? Partially saturated sample is an example of three-phase. Solid will be there, water will be there, air will be there. Submerged density of soil is equal to saturated density by 1 plus water content. That will be gamma D, gamma bulk upon 1 plus W. Void ratio is defined as the ratio of volume of voids to the volume of soil grains. Correct. 1 and 3. Correct. Between which states the soil shrinkage limit is conceptualized? This is water content. This is volume. First, when all air voids are not completely filled, volume will not increase. Even with the addition of water, air will be reducing and water will be adding, but volume will be constant. Suppose this is the sample now. So I am adding more water. So instead of air, water will come, but volume will not change. When all air will be replaced by water, up to here no change. That is shrinkage limit. Further, if I add water, then volume will change. That is shrinkage limit. So shrinkage limit after the soil which behaves plastic, it is plastic limit when the soil is very less shear strength, behaves as a liquid. Here if I draw stress strain graph, it will be like this. Here in plastic region it is like this. Here इसमें कुछ तो जान बचेगी. Here it is solid stage. So this is solid, this is semi-solid, this is plastic, this is liquid. So shrinkage limit is from solid and semi-solid. D option. D option. Okay. So guys, how many you have done correct? This is my Telegram group where more than 5,000 students are there. You can also join there, guys. Okay, Civil by Abhinav sir, Telegram group. Okay. Now these are the. This will be tomorrow at 10:30. 10:30. I'm saying 8:30 p.m. Tomorrow 8:30 p.m. Okay, 10 practice questions for GATE. Guys, scholarship test is there. This will be on 1st of October. If you want to enroll in BYJU'S exam prep, you can give this scholarship test and get up to 90% discount. Even if you don't want to enroll in course, it's your choice. This is an all India level free test. You can give this test and check your performance on the all India level even without enrollment if you want. Now, Richa ma'am will be taking on 27th September at 7:30 p.m. on app a free workshop. This workshop will be last 120 days preparation strategy to ACE GATE 2024. So if your aim is also this, please do take this workshop. So vision courses are available in Hindi also, in English also. Vision means our complete course where from scratch to the top level we are teaching. मेरा फोटो भी है, हाँ मेरा फोटो भी है. इधर भी लगा रखा है क्या? इधर भी लगा रखा है मेरा फोटो, सही है, हूँ मैं. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow here at 8:30 p.m. on YouTube. Here the questions will be really challenging. It is not written on thumbnail. 10 questions in 10 minutes. So here 10 questions will be taking 60 minutes. Okay, here questions will be taking time. Okay. Thank you, Arun. Thank you all. Can you please write down all your score? How much you score, guys? How much you score? Out of 20, what is your score? Cutoff was 14. Cutoff was 14. Okay. How much you score, guys? Thank you all. Okay, Arun came late. Okay, Arun, कल time पे आ जाना. Thank you guys. Take care. See you soon. Thank you all. Take care.